Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED TV is making waves in the home entertainment industry, promising an exceptional visual experience with cutting-edge technology. But does it truly live up to the hype? In this in-depth review, we will explore the picture quality, performance, gaming capabilities, and smart features of the Bravia 10 to determine if it's the ultimate TV upgrade of 2025. Stick around, hit that subscribe button for more expert tech breakdowns, and let's dive into everything this highly anticipated television has to offer. Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED. A game changer in 2025? Sony has consistently raised the bar in television technology, pushing the limits of display innovation, processing power, and immersive sound. With the release of the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED, the company aims to set a new standard in the premium TV market. While Sony has yet to confirm all details, leaks, insider reports, and industry speculation suggest that this model will deliver revolutionary display advancements, next-level AI processing, and unmatched gaming enhancements. Unparalleled gaming performance with next-gen features. If you're a gamer, the Bravia 10 is shaping up to be a dream come true. With HDMI 2.1 support, this TV is expected to feature 4K at 120Hz gameplay, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and possibly even Dolby Vision gaming. Sony's perfect for PlayStation 5 branding is likely to continue, meaning we can expect exclusive optimizations for PS5 users. These could include auto HDR tone mapping and low input lag mode, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Additionally, there are rumors that Sony may offer a 240Hz refresh rate at 1080p, catering to competitive gamers looking for ultra-fluid gameplay. Advanced XR Cognitive Processor. Smarter Image Optimization. Sony's Cognitive Processor XR has been a game-changer, leveraging AI to analyze content and optimize image realism. If the Bravia 10 follows this trend, we can anticipate an enhanced version of this technology, possibly the XR Gen 3 or XR Pro. The improved processor is expected to refine motion clarity, boost color accuracy, and dynamically adjust the contrast on a pixel-by-pixel basis. This AI-driven approach allows for more precise rendering of details, making movies, sports, and games look incredibly lifelike. Stunning design with ultra-thin bezels. Sony is renowned for its sleek, minimalist TV designs, and the Bravia 10 will likely continue this tradition. Speculation suggests that Sony may introduce an even slimmer profile, ultra-thin bezels, and a high-end metal stand for a premium aesthetic. There are also whispers of a potential wireless version, similar to LG's M40 Connect TV. Even if a fully wireless option isn't released, Sony is expected to refine cable management for a cleaner setup. Next-generation mini LED display for unmatched brightness and contrast. One of the most exciting upgrades rumored for the Bravia 10 Mini LED is its display technology. Sony is reportedly improving its mini LED backlighting to achieve significantly higher peak brightness, potentially exceeding 2,500 nits. This improvement would make HDR content pop even in bright environments, making it an ideal choice for well-lit rooms. With thousands of dimming zones, the Bravia 10 could deliver incredible contrast levels, offering near OLED black depth while maintaining mini LED's advantage of high brightness. Expected pricing and release date. Given Sony's premium positioning, the Bravia 10 Mini LED will likely compete directly with Samsung's QN95D series, LG's OLED Evo G4, and Sony's OLED lineup. Based on previous pricing trends, here's what we might expect. 55-inch, $2,000 to $2,500. 65-inch, $2,800 to $3,500. 75-inch, $4,000 to $4,500. 85-inch, $5,500 plus. Sony typically unveils its flagship TVs at CES in January, with availability rolling out between March and June. The Bravia 10 Mini LED is expected to follow this pattern, with pre-orders potentially opening by April 2025 and full retail availability by June 2025. Google TV integration with AI-driven smart features. Sony has fully embraced Google TV as its go-to smart platform, and the Bravia 10 is expected to continue this trend. Leaks suggest that Google TV on the Bravia 10 will introduce faster navigation and response times, personalized content recommendations based on AI algorithms, improved voice control with Google Assistant, The Bravia 10 is also likely to support Apple AirPlay 2, HomeKit, and Amazon Alexa for seamless integration into various smart home ecosystems. Upgraded Acoustic Multi-Audio Plus with Dolby Atmos support. Sony is one of the few TV manufacturers that prioritizes audio innovation alongside visual advancements. The Bravia 10 Mini LED is rumored to include an enhanced Acoustic Multi-Audio Plus system, which ensures sound comes from precise on-screen locations. In addition, Dolby Atmos support is almost a given, possibly with AI-driven sound upscaling for a more immersive experience. If Sony enhances its built-in subwoofers, it could deliver richer bass and a fuller sound profile without the need for an external soundbar. Final thoughts. Is the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED the best TV of 2025? If the leaks and rumors are accurate, the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED has the potential to be one of the top TVs of 2025. With improvements in Mini LED technology, a next-gen cognitive processor XR, gaming-optimized features, and superior audio performance, Sony is positioning itself as a leader in high-end home entertainment. While OLED still leads in perfect black levels and pixel precision, Mini LED technology is closing the gap by delivering higher brightness and reduced risk of burn-in. For those looking for top-tier performance in bright living rooms or gaming setups, the Bravia 10 might be the ultimate alternative to OLED. However, the real test will be in real-world performance, price-to-value ratio, and how it compares against competitors like Samsung, LG, and TCL. Would you buy the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED? What do you think about the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED? Are you considering buying it, or are you waiting for an OLED alternative? Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest in cutting-edge technology. See you in the next video.